Hi everyone, this is Neil. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your profile picture on Instagram, update your bio, and as well as switching your Instagram account into a professional account. Alright, so let us get started. Now here I have an account, which is a demo account, which I call it Coffee Bug Short. So here what you're going to do is you're going to click on edit profile, and here you can see you can change your profile photo. So let's click on that, and here you can upload your photo. But before that, let us go and create one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Canva, and here I'm going to click on customize size. Here I'm going to key in 2000, then click on create new design. Once you click on that, you will be directed to an empty page. So for this case, I'm going to show you this page where I have my own profile pictures and some logos. So here you can actually go to design and you can choose any templates that you want. Because I'm going to search for a logo. I'm going to click on creating a new page here. And let's say I like this design. Okay, let's say I click on this design. Or maybe I can just look for a coffee logo. Okay, coffee logo design. This is nice. Okay, let's say I'm going to use this. Okay, I'm going to use this. I can enlarge this a little bit more. Enlarge it like this. Okay, make sure it's aligned. Once done, click on share, click on download. I'm going to deselect all this because I just only want page number 10. Click on page number 10, done. Make sure it's PNG, and then download it. Alright, once done, let us go back to Instagram. Here I'm going to click on upload photo. Then I'm going to select my coffee logo here. Click on open. Alright, now I have my new coffee logo here. Okay, next you can key in your website if you have it. But for this case, I'm not able to insert the website. It's because I'm currently on desktop. So you may need to use a mobile to actually update it. Alright, next let us go and update our bio. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to ChatGPT here. And I'm going to key in the message, which I've already prepared. So here, as you can see, please write me a short Instagram bio using the information provided below. So here, about my business, coffee lover, everyone can afford it. And then I'm going to add an emoji. So I'm going to click on send. Alright, then you can see I have this message here. So I'm going to copy all this. Go back to Instagram. Paste it. Alright, now as you can see, the text is too long. So I'm going to remove this hashtag. And voila, now I am within these 150 characters. Okay, next you're going to select your gender, male, female. And then here, if you want to show account suggestion on profile, you can tick this, otherwise you can just untick it. And then next is to click on submit. Alright, now once done, scroll down a little bit and you can see this, switch to professional account. So let us click on that, and here you can select either creator or business. So for my case, I'm going to click on creator and click on next. Next. Then here, you can choose your category on your profile. So I'm going to show the category on my profile, and I'm going to select personal blog, and then click on done. Okay, next, then I'm going to click on done again. And now I have a professional Instagram account. So I'm going to click on profile here, go back to my profile homepage here. Now let us go and upload at least one post. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Canva. Here, I'm going to key in 2000 from the customize size here, okay, 2000, and then I'm going to click on create new design. And you'll be directed to an empty page that looks like something like this. But for my case, again, I'm going to have a lot of this previous design. But for your case, it will be empty. So you make sure you're going to 2000 width, 2000 height. I'm going to click on create a new page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on design here. I'm going to search for a template. Let's say I search for coffee. Okay, and I'm going to click on this template. It looks very nice. Okay. So you can change the message if you want. Okay, you can change everything, all the elements inside here. Okay, if you've done something wrong, you can always just undo it. Okay, like this. Oops. Okay, and you can upload your logo. So I'm going to upload mine. Just drag and drop. Okay, so this is the logo that I've created earlier. Okay, so this is the logo that I've created earlier. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to put this here. Okay, like this. Or if you have a Canva Pro, you can actually remove the background. So I'm going to remove the background. And it will look something like this. See? Nice, right? or I can actually put it on the cup here, like this. Okay, but for now I'm going to just put on the top left here. Once done, let's click on the share button here, download. As usual, I'm not going to download all pages here. I just want to download the current page. Okay, so deselect all, and let's select the current page here. Done, and make sure it is PNG. Click on download. Now once done, let us go back to Instagram. Here I'm going to click on create. I'm going to drag and drop the poster that I've designed in Canva, and I'm going to click on next. You can choose any filters and adjustment that if you want. For this case, I'm going to skip and click on next. And here you're going to write a caption. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT again, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a short message for that post. Okay, so now in ChatGPT, I'm going to paste this message that I've prepared earlier. Okay, so here you can see, please write me a short Instagram post using the information provided below, which is these 4 points here, with the 5 relevant hashtags. Click on send. And you can see the message is here, done by ChatGPT. I'm going to copy it, go back to Instagram, I'm going to paste it. I'm just going to make it a little bit nicer, so I'm going to just put some spacing here, and then the hashtag should be on the bottom. Okay, like this. So once done, let's click on share, and you are done. Okay, your post has been shared. Okay, if you don't see it, you just refresh your entire page. Alright, so that is all for this Instagram video. So this is how you actually update your profile picture with a short bio and switching it into a professional business account, and upload a poster using Canva to design it with the help of ChatGPT for the copywriting. Okay, so I hope this helps. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. So this is Neil signing off.